Usually, I don't like being in crowded places, but today I brought my camera and it changed everything. It's Friday, getting ready for Saturday dinner. We went out to buy vegetables and fish, and I decided to take the Ricoh GR IV with me. One in my pocket and in the other pocket my Insta360 to film some POV. What I love about photographing in the market is actually the number of people. When there are more people, I actually feel more comfortable photographing them. I stand out less. And it allows me, especially with the Ricoh, which is so small, to capture small, authentic moments of people around me. With all the colorful fruits and vegetables, I felt like after just 5 minutes of shooting, I already had so much material to work on. Honestly, without the camera in this situation, I would probably suffer a bit. Between the noise, the wind, and the crowd that always exists here on Fridays. But with the Ricoh in my pocket, my focus shifts to creating interesting photos. And it turns the whole experience into something positive. I think my favorite photo was actually taken when we left the market, on the way to buy fish. I saw a very interesting man with 2 dogs smoking a cigar. This is exactly the kind of moments where I'm so happy the Ricoh is right there, within reach. At one of the traffic lights, I started filming a time-lapse for this video. And someone noticed my camera. He told me he used to be a photographer and I could really see his passion for cameras. I always enjoy when people approach to me about my gear in the street. That kind of human connection is actually quite rare to experience, at least that's how I feel. Most of the photos I didn't edit. I kept them as standard JPEGs. I didn't even straighten most of them, because there's something that feels very much a part of the Ricoh experience, shooting a bit crooked. It adds to the spontaneity of the moment. The photos I did edit, I used my own Lightroom presets. Also, most of the shots in the market were taken using snap focus, so everything from about 1 meter and beyond should be in focus. Shutter speed was 1/250, and the aperture varied, mostly around f/5.6. I like some of the results today, but even more than that, I like the feeling of creating while doing something that isn't always comfortable for me. Focusing on finding frames instead of the noise around me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.